Hello guys, welcome once again. I'll be showing you how to draw a realistic eye step by step. These are the tools for this tutorial: a cotton board, a 2B graphite pencil, a HB graphite pencil, mono zero eraser, and electric eraser. Firstly, I shade the eye with the lighter pencil, that is the 2B graphite pencil. After shading, I blend with a cotton board or a blending stump to look smooth. The reason why I blend the first layer lightly is because I want to add some highlights where needed, and I won't be using the white gel pen or white pen. Instead, I will use the mono zero eraser and the electric eraser to create some highlights. So now I'll be using the 8B graphite pencil to add the second layer. While shading, remember not to shed the highlights. Just like I said, I won't be using the white gel pen or white pen for the highlights. After shading the eye with the 8B graphite pencil, I will now use the blending stump to blend the eye. But note that the texture you get when blending with the blending stump differs from what you get when blending with cotton ball. See the difference? I add some shadings using the 8B pencil. Then I use my blending stump to blend the pencil mark. You see, that shading has been thickened. It is very thick. You have a thick shading. But when you use your cotton ball, you get a light shading. That's the difference between blending stump and cotton ball. It seems like the highlight is shading off, so I use the electric eraser, still add the highlights. Also, continue the same previous progress again by shading with the 8B graphite pencil. After shading, you blend again. Seems like there is no time, so I need to speed up. As an artist, you need to know these basic things. That is, the eye is not white. Some artists, after drawing the eye, they leave it white. That should not be so. You need to use your cotton board, blend the eye, fade it so it will look realistic. Step by step. So if this video really helped you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button. Also check the link in my description to see more websites. Thank you.